Hey folks, welcome back to the land of grills. And folks, oh, we already got one out there. We're ready to go. That's right. You're looking, you say, hey, what do you got there, Tom? That's the Blackstone. That's a Blackstone tailgater, modified tailgater. And you're saying, hey, what have you done to it? Well, I've extended the legs a little bit, added wheels to it so it's more mobile, put a handle on it, built some wind guards, and made a cool little cover for the griddle section. This thing, I'll tell you what, I bought this just for a camping trip this summer, and I was going to get rid of it after then. And I tell you what, I decided to keep it because it's actually an awesome little grill, and I like pulling it out and doing quick cooks on it. And today we're gonna do some quick smash burgers on the Blackstone. Let's get her fired up. All right, there's our burgers, folks. They're bare naked. I didn't do nothing to these. These are quarter pounders, and you're gonna say, Tom, that's a little big for smash burgers. I know, but that's how I like to do them. You can do your smash burgers however you want to. This is how I'm gonna do mine. I'm gonna season them once I get them smashed. So I'll tell you what. Let's get the smashing. All right, folks, while we wait for things to get heated up, let's talk about what we need for the smashing part. Now, I have one of these Lodge smashers that and it's very, very nice. And I like to use a piece of parchment paper. And it just helps keep it clean, and that's what we're going to use. But you don't have to use that. You can actually use, if you want to take like, if you want to take a spatula, two spatulas, and put them together, you can use that to smash this down. You can use a plate. And not a paper plate, but a regular plate, and smash down with that. So you don't have to have a smasher in order to make smash burgers, but I'll tell you what, smash burgers are delicious. So now we're almost ready. Get that temp up there. I'll just give you a look, see at the temp before we start smashing. All right, you can see our temps are right around that 450 mark, folks. This thing has like an H design in the burner, so you can kind of see where the H is based on the temps, and it comes over. It goes like this. But this Tailgater from Blackstone, I'll tell you what, it is very, very nice. All right, folks, we're going to take our quarter pounders and just evenly space them out there. Like I said, we got 4 of them. And we're going to let these brown up just a little bit on the bottom first before we smash them. It's starting to rain out here, so we hear a little extra sizzle from the rain. And like I said, the seasoning I'm going to use, I'm going to season them once I smash them. And that's this Nature's seasoning from Morton. This stuff is really nice. All right, they're set for a minute, so let's get the smashing. Just like that. All right, we'll let this sit for about 2 minutes and we'll give them a flip. All right, folks, about 2 minutes. Increase this phone. This is 80-20, if you're wondering. So let's just, oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Nice. Just like that. And then we're going to season them a little bit. Got our, like I said, our Nature's seasoning there. And it is raining out, officially now. So we're doing smash burgers in the rain. And then if you're wondering what kind of buns we're going to be using, King's Hawaiians, folks. Can't go wrong there, can you? Give you another 2 minutes. Oh, man. Look at that. That's good eating right there, folks. I tell you what, I'm going to pull these off. I'm going to brown up those buns. Give you a look-see once they're plated up. Well, there you go, folks. Quick and easy smash burgers on the Blackstone Tailgater. I'll tell you what, I've got some homemade pickles on there and a little bit of the, you think it looks like ketchup, but it's not. Secret Stadium sauce. I just love that stuff. But let's take a bite. We got our King's Hawaiian rolls here, and smash burgers on the Blackstone, folks. Awesome. Tom Horseman at YouTube. Thumbs up, leave a comment as always. Appreciate you watching. Thank you.